How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how to transfer a Instagram account from one device to another. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Here you will see 3-bar icon on your top page. Tap open that. Scroll at the bottom of the page, and first of all, let's log out our Instagram from this device. To do that, tap on to logout, then tap on logout again. As you have logged out of your Instagram account from a device, head over to your new device and tap open your Instagram app. You will see a similar page like this. In order to get logged into your Instagram account, you have to enter your username, email address, or mobile number. Once done, type in your password at the password box below and tap on to login. Just like so, if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Instagram account in your new device. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon.